Hey boys and girls, I'm just going to record a quick video to tell you how to set up a brand new website. I'm a bit tight for time, so we're just going to rush through this quite quickly. But ultimately, we're going to take you from a website that has nothing to a website that has these categories, and then you can start building content underneath them. So that website that I've just shown you, that's a brand new website. I've got a video that I've recorded that's at home. Unfortunately, I'm away right now, but that video will be coming out at some point soon. And I just set up a whole new website that ultimately, I didn't speak any German, and I'm just going to see if I can rank a German website just to prove a point. So, how have I come about this? This niche is how to make money online, as I said. So, it's as simple as saying, let me zoom in for you guys. I have a website in the how to make money online niche. Please can you suggest me 6 content clusters that all my content could live under. And one thing that's very important to do, so here we go, this has just given us 6 great things. For reference, I'm using 3.5 just to prove that you did this for the free account, but I do have the GPT-4. But one thing you should always do is question it. Are you sure these are the best clusters? Would anything else make more sense to be a priority for our readers? Let it think it through, and we just keep asking it until it's absolute certain. Are you absolutely sure these are the best ones? Well, that's not the best ones. Let's edit this. Are you sure these are the best keyword clusters for the make money online niche? These will ultimately form my categories of my blog. Oops. When you're that zoomed in, you can't click buttons. No, so that's telling us what we can do. Okay, so we will go off from these ones. So, as you know, I'm doing the site in German, but you'll be doing it in English. But from these categories that it's chosen, we now need to create pages for each of these things. So each of these things up here are pages. And then from those pages, we'll write a nice, strong page on the subject. So, I don't know, this is affiliate marketing, if I was to guess my best German. Like, we want a really strong page about affiliate marketing, like all the things that are needed. Do that, and then we're then going to come back to ChatGPT, and we're going to say, let me delete to the end. I'm working on the category of side hustle ideas, and you need to do this for every single one, not just side hustle, not just the first one in your list. Please can you give me a list of entities that relates to this specific category for the niche make money online. Okay, so here we go. I now know that I should write about all of these things under the side hustle ideas category before moving on to whatever the next one was. So the next one was remote work and freelancing. But I should try and write content for every single one of these topics. So there's 30 here. Like, I'm sure I could say keep writing and it would give me some more. But I want to write for every single one of those things, and then Google's going to know, hey, that guy knows about side hustle ideas in the make money online niche. Then I'll move on to the next one. Then I'll move on to the next one. And by doing this, we really show that we are the go-to source. We gain topical authority, and ultimately we'll be ranking really... Oh, let me flick you over. Ultimately, we'll be ranking really well for those keywords that we want to be ranked for. Right, as I said, this has to be a really quick video because, like, I've got things to do tonight. But hopefully that helps. There's more things we can discuss soon, but we'll go through them at a later date. Anyway, catch you in a bit.